Did you guys pick? Pass. They said pass. Sorry, I'm taking forever, y'all. Ooh, pressing buttons.
It was at this moment that she knew. She f***ed up.
Did I just stop something? My face is paused.
Hey, come look at this.
How do I stop it? Yo, I don't know how to change my freeze frame. How do I change it? I accidentally pressed the button. I need help.
Who does that?
I need help.
Help me.
Oh, how do I change it?
Help me. Help me.
Yo, no. How do I fix it? I don't even know what I press. Control Z.
Nope.
Control Z. Yo, how do I fix this? How do I fix this? Help! Help! What the fuck did I do? Everyone's fucking crying! I'm so dead! I can't! I'm gonna pee myself! Oh, yo, I gotta go to the bathroom. I can't!
Thousands of tears later.
I'm back. Holy sh! Yo, I literally cannot. Look at my fucking eyes. I'm crying so hard right now. Oh my God. I almost peed myself. I had to run to the bathroom. I'm definitely not getting my voice back.